Yeah, but you're alright. I'll just edit it out.
I forgot to show you these. Are they any good to you? They're just little. I've got some. I've kept some for put some of my stuff in.
Really handy, because sometimes I mix a bit of thinners or a bit of turps.
I'm going to throw them away.
Oh, no, I'll take them.
I have got some more upstairs.
Yeah.
I just thought I'd.
Look, it's all new.
Oh wow! Gosh. So just.
Yeah.
I said, oh, don't throw them away because oh, girls, if they're paid, but they're not little anymore, so
No.
they probably don't pay.
No.
And I thought, well, I'm getting to. I've got a few parcels coming this week.
Right.
They're just little bits for me to make cards with and.
They might go, if they go through the door, they'll put them through.
Yeah.
If not, they'll break on the door and I can stick your head out back no window.
So, yeah. So,
Alright.
I just. Alright.
Thank you.
Oh, you're welcome.
I want a visit from Bev, my landlady. I haven't put any copper slip on it. I'm using stainless bolts, but yeah, I suppose that's a bit naughty of me, innit? Get some on there. Costs nothing to do. We could save a lot of hassle at another day. I guess it's all at a funny angle because the suspension's down, the wheel being off. best thing to do now is do it to the other side before I tighten it. I've a funny feeling I'm going to have to get a jack underneath here to get them rubbers and nuts on. Not how much to tighten them, not going to crush them completely. I think that's enough. So, got them put on and bolted all back up. Odd coloured because one's white and one's zinc. You see that angle? Well, it is because the suspension's down. Once the car's back on ground, that'll go up. And they should flatten out. But I do remember when I took them off, they were right acute angle, and I thought that's weird. But yeah, obviously, once we get wheels back on and the car comes down, you look at gap between there, and normally that wheel there is only going to be sort of to there. Yeah, there's quite a lot of suspension to go, but that's back end finished. So off camera I'll just do a bit of spraying here and there where I think it might need it, some more wax oil or whatever. I don't know about these turrets, they were all wax oiled and I cleaned it all off just to make it look presentable, but I'll say I'll just keep an eye on them. Car's always going to be garage and it won't be going out much in rain anyway, so we'll probably preserve it. So that's pretty much finished underneath at the back. So we've tightened exhaust up, refreshed suspension both sides, refreshed the anti-roll bar with all new rubbers, brackets and drop links. So I'm pretty happy with that. Yeah, we should be good. So the next time I do a video, it'll be the front, starting the front. I can't remember whether I cracked the wheels or not. If I didn't, I'm going to have a right job because I'll have to drop it back to the ground. I just hope I had sense to crack them wheels nuts before I jack the car up, otherwise I'm going to have to take the car back down, touch them front wheels onto the ground to hold them while I get them bolts out because they're very, very tight. I don't know if they've been done with their gun or what, or they've just been on for years, I have no idea. Tyres don't look to be in bad condition and they're not cracked and age cracked or anything, and don't seem to have gone hard. So there we go. So this will be part 7. It'll only be a short video, but at least I've shown reassembling if there's any of you got a Griffith or a Chimaera. with a anti-roll bar that's a bit bashed about. You've seen me take it off, put it back on. Not know if you saw me take it off, but it was only unbolting bolts. You probably didn't. Parts are not that expensive. I don't think them drop links were that dear. Now, these and the rubbers, not the plates. I'd say the plates were probably made for this car. It might not be, but those U-clamps and the rubbers and the drop links, I'm sure will be off a vehicle that you could probably source them a lot cheaper. And I'd say I'd look towards sort of Fiesta, could be Chimaera, could be Granada, I don't know, but I'm sure. And I didn't have time to be messing about trying to source them all. It'd be nice if somebody on TVR forum, they probably already have done. I know some of them that post have put, you know, Saab 99 front suspension, this, that and other, and Cortina track rod ends, etc. But I wonder if anybody's done a definitive full list for the Griffith or the Chimaera or many others, stating every single part, which car it came off. Most of the stuff, as we know, is not TVR. Right, I'm going to finish off, and I'm going to adjust this handbrake a little bit, and then I'll wind this video up. Well, I'll wind it up now. Okay, thanks guys. Thanks for watching. Say it's only going to be a shorty.